Introducing the stunning 2019 Nissan X-trail 1.6 DSL SV Premium 7-seat in a beautiful green exterior colour. This MPV is loaded with premium features, including Bluetooth, satellite navigation, cruise control, and a 360 view camera for ultimate convenience and safety on the road. The luxurious interior features third-row seats, a sunroof, and a smart card entry for added comfort and style. With top-notch security features like lane departure warning and anti-collision system, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us today or visit windsor.ie for more information. Drive home in style and safety with the 2019 Nissan X-trail 1.6 DSL SV Premium 7-seat.